Hello queens and kings, and welcome back. So in today's video I will be making this gorgeous glamorous two-tier perfume spinning rotation tray. If you all would like to see how I create it, why don't you continue?
All right, queens and kings, before we jump into this DIY, I would like to take a moment of you guys' time. So just give me a moment and let you guys know that this video is a collaboration with a t-shirt or a graphic t-shirt company by the name of Thread Tanks. And as you guys can see, I am wearing their graphic t-shirt that says Tidy Queen, which is a very comfortable cotton t-shirt that I really love. As you guys see, it fits me very well. I am wearing an extra large, so they do come in various sizes and different graphics on it. In the video, you guys will see, well, partial of you guys will see that I am wearing the one that says Crafty AF, which you all know what that means, and which is this t-shirt here. It is also a charcoal gray, and like I said, they do come in various colors and different styles or so you guys check out their company. And for the ones that decided to make a purchase, you can get a discount or a 10% discount using Valerie 10 on it. So therefore, whenever you get ready to check out, just make sure you use that. Now, they did send me 3. Now, one thing I do like about their company, their logo says stories you can wear, which I like that. That was very neat. And once again, their name is Thread Tanks. And this one here is a, what one did I pick out? Oh, this one here says, y'all should already know because y'all know I love my little wine and everything. But this one here says, save water and drink champagne. And this one here is a light gray. Now, like I said, they do have this different and various colors that you guys can pick and choose from. Now, this company here is a design and in-house type company. Basically, they use their little wonderful production teams to make them to your order. So once you order, your t-shirt will start to be made. So once again, if you guys would like to get one of these t-shirts, you know, with a discount, make sure that you guys use Valerie 10, and therefore you will get a 10% discount. So once again, shout out to Thread Tanks for sending me these lovely comfortable t-shirts, which I totally love. And as you guys can see, it fit very comfortable. So on to the video.
So start off with the main item, which would be this 12-inch two-tier non-skip turning tray, which I'm going to take it outside and spray paint it silver. So here it is. I got it all back in the house. It's all dry, and as you guys can see, it's still spinning. I'm also going to use this mirror as well as this gorgeous bling rhinestone wrap. And what I'm going to do with the rhinestone wrap, which I did purchase from Hobby Lobby, I'm just going to glue that around the edges. And for this project, you will actually need 2 packs of this rhinestone wrap. Correction, 3 packs. Okay, I'm all done with that, and as you guys can see, it's still spin. So we're going to move on to the bling portion of this video. Here I'm just going to take these adhesive buttons that I did have on my bed, and I'm going to recycle them. Yes, I removed all these off my headboard, and I'm just using my wire cutters to take off the back, and then I'm going to use my mirror here, which this is a 10-inch mirror that I think I purchased from Michael's, and I'm going to remove all the paper and everything that's on the mirror, and I'm gonna glue this down to the center of the turntable. Now I'm gonna try to place this as center as possible because you guys know I eyeball everything, and that's basically what I'm doing at this moment. All right, so just using some hot glue. Now you can use some adhesive or whatever. I'm just gonna place a nice amount on the back of the button, and I'm just gonna start placing those around the edge. I'm gonna do the whole entire tray like this. At this moment, once again, I'm just eyeballing it. Maybe this is 1.5 inches apart. I'm not sure. I just know I do not have enough, so therefore it is the reason why I'm actually placing the space in between each button. I almost forgot, queens and kings. The reason why I cut off the button portion, not the button, the hole on the back of the buttons, I mean to say, is because I can't put them flat on the edge. As you guys can see, I won't have no problem with gluing them down. All right, Queens and Keys. So the first tray is done. Look how gorgeous that is. And it's still spinning like a smooth spin. I love it. So moving on here to the second one. Here I have some more buttons. And these are push pin like tacks. And I'm just going to also use my hot knife with this one. Now, as you guys can see, I already had spray painted the second tray. Placed the rhinestone wrap as well as the mirror. And here I'm using my wood burner knife, not hot knife. Well, you could call it a hot knife, it's up to you, but I'm just placing little small holes, and once again I'm eyeballing the space in between. And the reason I'm placing the small holes, so therefore I don't have to worry about trying to cut off the little tack part, the little push pin part on the back of it. I could just push it through the hole, and that'll be that. Now later on I will off camera go back and secure them down with hot glue, but at the moment I'm just placing some holes around the edges, and then I'm gonna push my pen through them. All right, we are finished with the last tray, the second tray, which is the top tray. And look how gorgeous this bottom tray is. Now, as you guys can see, I do have some more bling on there, and I just used some Dollar Tree Glam gemstones, and I just glued those in between the space just to fill it up because I wanted more glam. I wanted this to be over the top, like just beautiful. So anyways, the riser, the tray came with these three little legs or riser to give it some height, and all I did was tuck them outside, spray paint and put some of that gorgeous rhinestone wrap on them. And these are the little sections and slots where each one of them will go, and I'm just gonna place each one in each slot. All right, queens and kings, are you guys ready for this? Look how gorgeous this tray is. Like, oh my goodness, it's so beautiful, so breathtaking. Like, I can't even get the words out. Look how gorgeous it is. Like, oh my goodness, the sparkle on this is just beautiful, and it's gonna go well with my jewelry holder. Like, I love it. I love it. What you queens and kings think? Do you guys love this? Was it just too much of glam? You know, some people don't like this much glam, but hey, I'm glam. If you stop by this channel, that's all you're gonna see is some glam. But I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this video. If you all did, please like it, share the video with your family, friends, and loved ones. Subscribe if you are just stopping by the castle, and turn on your post notification bell, and don't forget to comment down below. With that being said, queens and kings, you all have a blessed day. I will talk to you all in the next video. You guys continue to be royal.